Chris here with your skincare tip of the day. And that is a do-it-yourself for shrinking your pores at home. What are you gonna do? We're gonna get out either oatmeal or we're going to use a really nice soft sugar that you have around the house. Cleanse your face, rinse with a damp towel. Go ahead and now add either oatmeal if you have oily skin or some sort of a sugar, coconut sugar, brown sugar, if you have more hydrated and not dry skin. I want you to rinse that. And then you're gonna go in and add your serums and moisture after that. So it's about making good choices, being responsible, and using things that we have at home. If this tip was beneficial for you, please like, share, comment below if you have any other questions, and do click on the link below. Skinthropology does have a skincare line that will assist you in looking your greatest and best self. Thank you, and make it a great day.